In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find Notion cover photos. To begin, open Notion and head to the Getting Started page. This is a simple place to practice, but these same cover photo tools work on any page in your workspace, including notes, projects, and database pages. Once you are on the page, click into the main content area so the page is active. You will notice page controls appear near the top of the page. Click in the highlighted area near the page header to make sure you are focused on the page itself and not inside a specific block. If you click again in the header area, you should clearly see the page options you need. Next, choose Add Cover. As soon as you do, Notion places a cover image area at the top of the page. This is where you can add a photo to give the page a clear visual identity, which is especially helpful when you have many pages and you want them to be easy to scan. After the cover appears, click Change. This opens the cover selection menu. From here, you have a few different ways to bring in an image depending on where your cover photo is coming from. If you already have an image saved on your computer, click Upload. Then select the file you want. For best results, use a wide image, since cover photos stretch horizontally across the top of the page. If you prefer to use an image from the web, click Link. This option lets you paste in a direct image link so Notion can pull it in as your cover. Make sure the link points to the image file itself, not just a web page. To quickly find high-quality photos without leaving Notion, click Unsplash. This is a built-in library of professional images. Click in the search area and type a keyword that matches your page, like a theme, color, or subject. Then select the image you like, and Notion will apply it as your cover. Once your cover image is set, click Reposition. If you want to adjust what part of the photo is visible, drag the image until the framing looks right, then click Save Position to lock it in. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.